Good morning. Hello. Happy Monday, wonderful cherry tree children. Good morning, cherry tree. Oh, good morning, cherry tree. Good morning, Miss Stevenson and Mrs. Howes and Mrs. Gonzalez. I still haven't figured out if it goes backwards or forwards. I hope I'm not teaching you the wrong way around. Good morning, Miss Swile. Good morning, everybody. It's so wonderful to see you on this fantastic Monday morning. We've got some brilliant learning ahead of us, so let's get cracking. Okay, we are going to start with our maths today. As ever, we're going to start with some counting. I thought it'd be fun to count back today, so we're going to count back from some numbers. We're going to start by counting back from, not actually sure why these are there, but they're very pretty. Let's start by counting back from 40. Now remember, when it's a T number, we can have a sip of tea. T, 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 for tea. So let's go. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, blast off! I need to find a rocket blasting off to send you all, don't I? We have got so much fun maths ahead of us. I'm actually going to crack straight on today. Our key vocabulary today is tens. 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 Ones. 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 Digit. Represent and count. To represent something means to show it. So if I was going to represent a star, let's see if this will work. If I wanted to represent a star, I might draw a star. If I wanted to represent a circle, I might draw a circle. I could also represent a circle by getting lots of pebbles and putting them in a circle. I could also represent a circle by getting some seeds and putting them in a circle. This is going to make more sense as we go on. Ooh, let's see if this works. Okay, so our learning objective this morning is to make two-digit numbers using resources. Two-digit numbers means a number that has two numbers in it. So, for example, 16 has one digit, two digits. 14 has one digit, two digits. 21 has one digit, two digits. 23 has two digits. 35 has two digits. If we had the number 4, that has one digit. If we had the number 125, that has 1, 2, 3 digits. Today we're looking at numbers with two digits. Woo! If we are doing the blue level of challenge today, you're going to read a two-digit number and practice reading the two-digit numbers, and you're going to make it with support, probably, and it's going to be numbers to about 20. Now, I just want to, before we do anything else, remind you, when I was your age, would I have been able to read two-digit numbers? No way! This would have been really tricky for me, but would I have given up? Never. Let's carry on. If you're doing the purple level of challenge, you're going to make the two-digit numbers probably a bit more independently, and you might go up to numbers up to 50. If you're on the red level of challenge, well, I've put this as the red level of challenge, but really I want everyone doing this. I want you to explain how many in tens and ones there are in each number. This is going to make sense soon. If you're on the orange level of challenge, you're going to create your own way of representing the number. of showing the number. It'll all make sense. Let's start straight away. Now, as you know, I love proving it. So let's sing it together. I like to prove it. I like to prove it. I like to prove it. We like to prove it. Absolutely true. We're going to prove what these numbers are. I'm going to start off by using Numicon because I love Numicon. And I might try and have a go at using some Deans as well. Oh, we need those to be grouped. I'm going to just delete these so that future Miss Stevenson in a minute doesn't think, ah. There we go. Okay, so we've got our Deans ready. Deans. And we've got our Numicon. Now, adorably, I'm not going to say who it was, but someone in our class in Cherry Tree calls this unicorns. So amazing. This is actually Numicon. So we're going to use Numicon and the Deans to make this number first. This is the blue level of challenge. What number have I got here? I can see there's 1 10 and 6 ones. Now, what's that song again? 6 is turquoise. Oh, I can use my number line as well. I can see it's got 1 10 and 6 ones. I can read it. It's 16. 16. I'm going to make it to prove it. How many ones do I need? Sorry, whoa, don't get confusing. How many 10s do I need? 1 10. And how many ones do I need? 6 ones. 6 ones. So I've got 1 10. I'm worried that's going to mean you can't hear me. So we'll just have those beeps going on. 1 10 and 6 ones makes 16. Fantastic maths. I'm going to prove it again using Deans. I like Deans. Let's just check how many there are in this so we know what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10. These are ones. Let's make 16 using this. So I need 1 10. That's the first digit. It's a 10, 1 10. How many ones do I need? 6. Let's go. 1, 2. Doesn't need to be perfect. 3. Whoop. 4. 5. 6. Fantastic. I've made 16. If you're on the blue level of challenge today, this is what your sheet looks like. And it says on it, blue. I've put that there, but I've put all of the levels on each of the sheets today because I didn't want anyone to feel that they couldn't try something a bit less tricky or something a bit trickier. I want you to just do the level that you're happy with, as always, but I just wanted it to be not confusing for anyone. This is the blue level of challenge today. You're going to make these numbers. You could use Numicon. You could use the Deans. You could use something else. Let's have a look at what else you could use. Wow, these are some people who've made 10s and 1s in different ways. Wow, look, this person has used Lego. They've made blocks of 10. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, they've made their own 10s and they've kept 1s. Brilliant maths. So look, they've made 34. How many 10s is that? 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. And look how many 1s? 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant maths. This person, it looks like they've put some kind of buttons or counters into cupcake holders. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you these pictures is we're not in school. Some of us are in school, but some of us are not in school. And so it's absolutely fine to think of different ways that we can do our maths. So I thought, well, what are you going to have at home? Some of you might have Lego. Some of you might have cupcake holders. Some of you might have lolly sticks or some sticks. Some of you might have cotton balls. Look, they've made them into pots of tens and then kept some ones. Some of you might have coffee beans or some kind of beans. And look, they've stuck them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10s and ones. So they're showing their numbers using all different things in their houses. I've also put on some pictures of if you get outside, you might want to find sticks to show your numbers. Let's carry on so that everyone really knows what to do. So you might, if you're doing the blue level of challenge, use your Numicon, you might use your Deans, or you could show it in a different way, and that's absolutely fine. Let's go on to the next number. I'll keep that next to the 16. Will I? No, let's pretend I've stuck that down on a piece of paper, because otherwise we might get confused. Let's go on to the next number. 14. 14. What do I know about 14? I know there's a 4 in it. I know there's 2 digits. I know that 4 is that light blue or turquoise? You'd know, wouldn't you? Let's make 14. So we need 1 10. Because look, there's 1 digit in the 10. 1. And a 4. I've made 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Fantastic. Could make it with Deans as well. Remember, how many is this? Don't need to count it all. How many was it? 10. How many ones do I need? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I was going to make 14, maybe using Lego, then maybe I would use one of my 10, we should call them towers that I've made, and 4 ones. How are you going to show your numbers? I'm so excited. If you are doing the purple level of challenge today, you are going to go up to bigger numbers up to 50. So here we've got 21, we've got 23, and we've got 35. I think we should go ahead and pretend to make 35. I'm going to pretend, well, I'm going to make 35 so you can see me do it. First of all, I'm going to use Numicon. How many 10s do I need? 3. 1, 2 10s, 3 10s. Let's just check that's 35. 10, 20, 30. Excellent. Now, how many ones do I need? 5. 1, 2. Oh no! What's wrong? Silly me. I was using my 10s again. I don't want to do that. I need 5 ones. There we go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's make it using Deans now. Here we go. 10, 20, let's just shuffle this up here. 30, 40. What's going wrong here? I've gone over my 30. Silly me. Let's start that again. How many 10s do I need? 3 10s to make 30. Let's try again. 10, 20, 30. 31. No, that's a 10. Silly me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Fantastic. Now, on the red sheet, I've said, can you explain how many 10s and 1s there are in each number? There are 10s and 1s in each number. Let's see if I can do that from these. I mean, I kind of did it as I was going along, but from this one, from 35, there are 3 10s and 5 1s in 35. I really proved it. Here, we've got 3 10s and 5 1s in 35. When I did 14, there was 1 10 and 4 1s in 14. When I did 16, I hope this isn't too confusing too much on the screen at once. Let's just do 16 again. 10, 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. In 16, there is 1 10 and 6 ones. I think every time you say a sentence correctly like that, you should get a high five, even if it's just from yourself. Fantastic. Now, if you want to really push yourself today, I have, I think somewhere, yes, orange. Create your own numbers and their representations. Any numbers you want to, 2-digit numbers. You might even want to push on to 3-digit numbers if you're happy to. How will you show it? How will you represent it? I cannot wait to see how you get on. I'm so excited. You are the best mathematicians in the world. See you soon. Good job, everybody.